In this video, I'll guide you through how to send review requests with Klaviyo and Judge Me. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their customer feedback collection and enhance their online reputation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional automated flow that sends out review requests to your customers, making it easier to gather valuable insights. First, you'll want to navigate to the Flows section in your Klaviyo account. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new flow. Click on Create Flow and then select Create from Scratch. This option gives you the flexibility to design a flow tailored to your specific needs. Let's name this flow Judge Me Review Requests. Naming your flow clearly is crucial for keeping your workflows organized, especially as you create more flows in the future. Next, you need to set a trigger for your flow. In this case, you'll choose a metric as your flow trigger. Metrics are essential in Klaviyo as they act as the starting point for your automated sequences. Once you select metric, you'll want to search for the specific judge.me metric event. Type in eligible for judge.me review request and select it. This metric will ensure that your review request emails are sent to customers who have recently made a purchase and are eligible to leave a review. After selecting the metric, click Done to move on to the next step. Now it's time to design the email that will be sent to your customers. Drag an email block directly underneath the trigger block you just set up. This action links the trigger event to the email, ensuring that when a customer becomes eligible for a review request, they automatically receive your email. Before you finalize the flow, make sure to turn its status from draft to live. This step is crucial because if the flow remains in draft mode, it won't be active and no emails will be sent. Remember, having a live flow means that your review requests will be sent out automatically, saving you time and effort while ensuring consistent communication with your customers. By following these steps, you now have a working flow that sends review requests via Klaviyo using the Judge.me integration. This setup not only automates your review request process, but also helps you gather feedback efficiently, allowing you to focus on other areas of your business. If you encounter any issues or need further customization, both Klaviyo and Judge.me offer extensive documentation and support to help you tweak your flows to perfection. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to send review requests with Klaviyo and Judge.me. This integration can significantly enhance your customer engagement and provide valuable insights into their experiences with your products. Thank you for watching and happy automating.